Okay, so this is just a quick video how to use the Ryobi Airstrike nail gun. It's a finishing gun and you'll need finishing nails for it. These are 16G 32mm tack-wise nails and they're from Amazon. They should be about £7 for 2,500. Now these nails come in strips like this, joined together. So you want to load the gun by first squeezing the tab, pulling that back, drop the nail strip right down in till it goes down to here, then press the black button, it should release and hold the nails up against the firing chamber. So then we're going to take a 1+ Ryobi battery which has been charged, fit it to the drill, and that's now live. So if we want to nail something together, it's got two modes. It's got single shot mode and multi-shot or bumpy mode. So in single shot mode we have to push down like onto the thing that we're nailing to activate it. It won't fire if I pull the trigger now. It won't fire. So we're going to put the wood in the position that we want it, like this. We're going to press the yellow-green plates down against the thing that we're going to nail, then pull the trigger, and nothing happens. Okay, let's just check. This catch here just helps to unjam it if it's got a jam. So you can just open that, close it again, it'll probably work. I'm going to push that down, pull the trigger, and that's fired a nail into there. So I'll just do another one. Make sure the wood's nice and straight where you want it to go. So push down, pull the trigger, and it's dropped a nail in there. Now multi-shot mode will allow you to hold the trigger down and then simply push and push and push, which is useful if you're doing fencing, but it's not quite so accurate if you're doing detail work. So then when you're finished, always remember to take the battery out. Now that thing's safe, and whenever you're doing stuff like this, wear gloves, eye protection and boots, because standing on nails is horrible.